Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look on the gold market. So actually, as you can see, price action is not really impressive. So my market shows just minor bounce out from the daily result. It's also a 1303 area is the extension on the intraday charts, and right now market is just showing the respect to this area. So on the daily chart, we still think that it's at least from the technical point of view, it's logical that to see the market will drop to the major support area. It stands at 1295, 30 even. It's also monthly pivot point, and it's also the habit of the gold market to retest important levels that have been broken previously. And we still think that market could reach this area around 13 even. So currently, as you can see, the speech on the Donald Trump about North Korea really had no significant impact on the overall price behavior in the gold market. It's probably all eyes still stand on the Fed meeting today. So what we have in very short-term perspective, take a look at the hourly chart. This is definitely some kind of the retracement that includes both issues as they are just an expectation of the market just waiting in the flat action for the Fed results, and simultaneously reaction on the reaching of the minor target. So that's 1618 extension, as you can see. Yesterday we have talked about in the forward time frame chart. So when the market has reached this level and right now it turns to upside action. So here's some kind of the reaction. It's interesting whether we have here the bearish grabber, probably not. So no, hardly we have here any grabbers. It's considered just minor reaction inside of this long-term channel. Most information stands on the hourly chart. So we have this ABCD pattern. Market already has completed 100% extension here, and right now is coming to major resistance for hourly chart. That stands at 1318, 1316 area. Take a look. That's 3-8 resistance of the whole move down, upper border of the channel, and also is 1618 extension of this A, B, C bottom, D target. So it means that probably to the end of the session, market probably should creep here, and maybe particularly in this area, the Fed will announce its results of the meeting, and maybe at least it's followed by the technical picture. Probably market should continue to drop here. So, but I just do not want to make any forecasts because it's just not quite wise to make any forecast on the Fed results. Mostly, these two events will be watching, so hardly we will get any rate decision. Probably most important will be the announcement, some hearing from the Fed on the possible starting sell-off of the bonds that stand right now on the balance sheet of the Fed, and that were accumulated and bought from the market during the quantitative easing program. So it's a very huge amount of the bonds that should be put down on the market. That should make the positive impact on the United States dollar, because selling of the bonds will lead to the getting money out from the market, and that should increase the demand for United States dollar. That's the major event that market will be watching for. And also we do the same. So as you can see, not much to talk on the gold market right now. Let's keep watching, and let's hope that maybe tomorrow we'll get some more information, more patterns to talk about.